Hello friends, welcome back to the very messy jungle. Let's do some cleaning because it is messy in here. Today we're going to be doing a quick clean with me because with two little ones running around, it's hard to keep this house clean. If you are new, make sure you subscribe so you're not missing all the planty content to come. I'm going to be doing a lot of house cleaning, decorating with me, and just plant tips to help you keep all those green girls happy. I know that a lot of people have acquired a lot of plants throughout this pandemic, so my hope is to help you keep those plants happy. So I'm going to start here. As you can see, my kids have destroyed this rug. They spilled orange juice all over it. So I'm just going to quickly get this room done because I find that once this room is done, the rest of the house is easier to clean.
Are you looking at the blue sky now, or are you looking at the dark clothes? Have you seen the white sneakers now, or are you looking at the black? Are we happy to this joy in this moment, and we don't have to think about the past? Uncertain future and painful memory, and we need to live.
First thing I like to do is just sweep up all the dirt and all of the sand that ends up under the rugs. After that, I end up steam mopping the floor. I like to steam mop the floor because I do have a toddler that likes to put his hand all over the floor, so I feel like steaming is the best way to keep everything nice and clean for him.
Everything gonna be fine. Thank you for everything we did. Every time you feeling like a summer, every moment is bound to get warm.
I am using my Shark Steam Mop. I love this thing because I don't need a bucket. My toddler tends to spill buckets on me, so I love that I don't need it. I also love the Methods mop in a bottle. It is so easy. I just have to squeeze and go on with my life. Also, the smell is amazing. One thing about me is I do not mop in any particular order. I just push, and wherever the mop takes me, that is where I go. My husband always makes fun of me because he says I look like a crazy person mopping. I just go, 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 no particular order, and somehow everything ends up clean. Give it a thumbs up if you are a crazy mopper as well. Okay, so now I'm going to be taking a little bit of insecticidal soap and just spraying it all over my leaf and cleaning them just to make sure that the plants are getting enough sunlight, because with it being winter, it is a little hard for them to photosynthesize because they don't have enough sunlight like they normally do in the summer. So I want to make sure that they get as much sunlight as they can, and that dust is not preventing that process.
We have a good effect on someone else. We have a good effect on.
I am also going to make sure I'm looking at the plants to make sure that there are no pests. Then I'm going to water, make sure that I'm keeping this girl nice and hydrated. She was looking a little sad because I was letting her dry out a little bit, because in the winter you want to make sure that you're cutting back on your watering just a little bit because they are not drying out as quickly. Okay, we made it to the kitchen. The kitchen is one of those places where I love it, but I don't like it at the same time. I am a very messy cook, so I love to cook, but I just make such a huge mess. I'm working on that. You're also going to be seeing the kiddos just using their scooters and their skates all over the house because this is the only way that I can keep them occupied while I clean. If you have any tips to keep kids occupied while you clean so they're not messing up the house and making it worse than what it needs to be, please comment below and let me know because I am all ears.
So you just have to trust me, enjoy this moment, and we can be happy and real.
My other nemesis is dishwasher. According to my husband and my mother, I am the worst dishwasher loader there is known to man. And I'm okay with that. I know my strength and I know my weaknesses. And the dishwasher is not one of those. So I normally don't load the dishwasher. But it was just one of those days that I was like, I'm just going to load the dishwasher because I am tired. And everyone is just going to have to deal with the fact that it is not loaded correctly. Let me know if you are good at loading the dishwasher because I think that's an acquired skill and not everyone has it. Oh, here is a toddler. He honestly is so funny. He finds anything and turns this into a toy. Okay, so now I'm going to be using my Methods cleaner just to clean my surfaces. I like to use this cleaner in particular because it has no toxic chemical and my son likes to lick anything and everything. So if there's a surface, there's a possibility that he might be licking it. So I like to make sure that if he is, everything is nice and clean. Now I'm going to be cleaning my little bar area. If you follow me on Instagram, you may have seen this bar area. This is where I do my little tea videos and my drink videos. So if you don't follow me, is at Jungle Much. Over there, I focus on all the planty content and things to bring you joy. I call it plant therapy. Now, for a little bit of plant therapy, let's cut off all these dead leaves that have accumulated. It is really important that you are checking your plants and just pulling out all those dead leaves because that will give pests a place to thrive. So after I finished watering, I did go back and pull all those leaves that I missed. Now it is time to put the rug back on. I feel like rugs make spaces. Now, these rugs have seen better days, but I do have two little toddlers who just cannot keep things on their plate. So next time I will be trying to bleach this rug. And we are all done. I am so excited. There is nothing better than a clean home. Make sure to subscribe and like this video and come back for more because there is just more to come.